Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fan Cave 2 technically. What I have today is a sort of universal looking spinner, and it's a top mount spinner. As you can tell, footprint vents, and not exactly sure. It's Taiwanese, not sure what brand it is, but anyway, it was picked up by Brandon C. Johnson, and it's going to John Reed, Rockin' Reed, I should say. So without further ado, let's take it for a spin. Alright, this is the fast setting. We've got a medium setting. Actually going to stand under the fan because it's probably about 90 something degrees down here right now. Slow setting. Now you can tell there's a bit of an ambient hum to it, a bit of a buzz. Now, how much of that is directly correlated to the, an aging ceiling fan itself, and how much is due to the acoustics of just the shape of the ceiling, with these long, narrow compartments, I don't know. But, I guess we'll find out if it's ever installed in a, regular room or something. But, and it's also, the electrical box is, I installed it directly into the joist, so there may be some, residual humming from the, just the wood itself. So I don't know. We'll find out, I guess. And it's most prominent on low. And for the spin down. And I hope to see some of you folks watching this next week at the Fanimation meetup. Alright, spin down, let's go. Out of all night here. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Please do like the video, subscribe to my page called the Fan Cave, and check out my Facebook page also called the Fan Cave. Good night and good luck.